moving their head. So this is all wind problem. Now wind problem where, that is a separate thing. है ना? So this is a wind problem. Okay. Wind energy is green in color. Tonify color, the color which gives energy to it, increasing energy to the wind, is green in color. And when we have to sedate the energy, wind energy, then it is yellow in color. I'll tell you this also. I'll give you a logic for this also to remember how you can remember it easily. We'll do that also. So just now you just listen to me. Wind energy is movement. It has green color. The tonification color is green and sedation color is yellow. So if we are going to increase the energy, wind energy, if somebody is, see if somebody is very lethargic, doesn't want to move, always wants to sit or wants to lie down, doesn't want to walk, is unable to walk, that means there is deficiency of wind in that body. We need to give movement to that body. That wind should be there in that body, that person. So what are we going to do? We are going to tonify the wind energy. And to tonify the wind energy, we will put green color. And if a child, say hyperactive child, always running around, breaking this, that, this hyper child, hyperactive, so that child has got too much of wind energy. So we should sedate a little, but normally we should not sedate wind energy in a child. For children, we should try to minimize playing with the energies. Everywhere we should not play too much with the energies until and unless it's really necessary. Now this child is too hyper, always running around, not sitting down at all, very difficult. So what is it? We have to reduce the wind energy. And to reduce the wind energy, the sedation color or the opposite color is the yellow color. So we will sedate wind by putting yellow color on the wind meridian. Okay. Everybody, am I clear? Are you understanding? Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You are finding it very joyful type of studies. I believe not tension that not following it, it's becoming difficult. Nothing like that, है ना? Okay. Now, second is our heat energy. Heat, as the word indicates, heat is red in color. Our blood, that is heat. Whenever you have to give heat to somebody, we give with red color. No? When somebody is over enthusiastic, very happy, this cheeks, they become red because heat is exuberating. So heart and small intestine, they are the organs that are having heat energy in them. And if we have to tonify the heat energy in somebody, in the person, we are going to tonify it with red color. And when we are going to sedate that energy, that means the red has to be reduced. So it is the brown color. The sedation color of heat is brown color. Okay. Now, third energy today we are going to do is the hotness energy. Hotness energy is the organs linked to it is the brain and spine. That means the nervous system. Brain and spine, these are the hotness organs. They have hotness energy in them. So hotness means burning, hot. Heat and hotness, both are different. Heat is when somebody's got fever, the body is warm, it is heat. But if he says when the temperature becomes too much, or when he says my certain part of my body or my body is burning, then it is not heat, it is hotness. It's become too much, that is hotness. And then the color is going to be orange. Tonify color is orange and sedation color. If hotness is the burning and now you have to cool it down. How can you cool it down when the thing is burning? You put water. You have to calm it down, cool it down. So the color of water is blue. So the sedation color of hotness is blue. Okay. Now similarly, you can remember for this also, like I told you in wind, the green is the tonify color. And yellow is the sedation color. If there is humidity in the atmosphere, what is humidity? Too much moisture in the atmosphere, then the moisture becomes dense. So now if the wind blows, it will take away the humidity. The moisture and the humidity will be reduced with the blowing wind. That means humidity is yellow in color, and if there is humidity somewhere, we have to give wind to it so that the humidity is reduced. So green and yellow, red and brown, orange and blue. These are the colors: tonification, sedation, organs. This is the way we remove. Now you have all you all are having those printouts of your hands. You take them out. We'll draw those meridians first. Where exactly we are going to put them. Okay. So now what you are going to do is, on your printout, I'll show you. Have to divide each finger vertically into three parts. Vertically into three parts. Is this working? My camera. Okay, take out your printouts of the hand. We'll make the meridians. Now I told you first we are putting the wind, because first energy will be the wind energy. In any disease, it starts, or any process in the universe, in our body, everything starts from wind energy. So wind energy, I told you, divide this finger into three. On your, I'll show you on the paper also. In three vertical lines you can draw. Equidistant, three vertical lines. Both the fingers, index finger and your middle finger, just divide into three parts vertically, equidistant. Can you see my hand? All of you? Can you see this? Hello?
Yes, we can see.
Okay, so this meridian in the middle finger center, when you divide it into three, the center line is your wind meridian. This is your liver meridian, wind energy, and this is the liver meridian from on the yin side, and opposite to this, because yin liver wind yin wind, and we'll have yang wind. I told you we have two forces for everywhere, yin and yang. So wind energy, this is yin, and now this has to be yang also. We have done two organs, liver and gallbladder. Both of them have wind energy. Gallbladder is on the yang side, And see, is it more clear over here?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the yin meridian, liver meridian, which has got wind energy, and this is the gallbladder yang side, same center. Acha, I was telling you, I think I forgot to tell you, I showed the picture also. I told you all the organs above the diaphragm are the yin organs. So on the yin side, we are going to place major organs, that is the lung, the heart, the brain. Okay, and accordingly they have their couple partners. Couple partners means, like I told you, yin and yang is husband and wife, or male or female. Wife is yin, husband is yang. So every organ, every energy has couple partner. Yin is the female, yang is the male, or yin is the wife, yang is the husband. So in wind energy, this is the liver meridian, and this is the yin meridian, or you can say wife meridian, and the couple partner is the yang. This is the gallbladder meridian, wind energy. Okay, I have drawn it on the paper also for you, and to be more clear on the hand also I'm showing you. Now your heat energy, second is your heat energy. Heat energy is here, heat meridian. Heat meridian, and which is the color? Heat meridian, red color. Red color. So on the yin side, which is your organ? Heart. And on the yang side, heat organ is small intestine. So this here you can see, this is the yin towards the, this is on the side. When we divide it into three, this is towards the middle finger. On the side, this is the heat or the heart meridian. Heart meridian, yin side. Its couple partner, husband, is the small intestine on the yang side. It's not working. Small intestine on the yang side. This is again red, heat energy. Okay, so wind, gallbladder, and this is small intestine. This is heart, this is liver. Third we are going to do is hotness. So hotness energy is orange in color, and the organs are brain and spine.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Can you please again repeat the heart, wind, liver, meridian, please?
I'll repeat it. Let me finish with this hotness. I'll repeat it. So now this hotness energy, brain and spinal cord. So this is the hotness energy, yin, brain, yin organ. This is the hotness energy, center of your index finger. And its couple partner, backside center, this is the spinal cord, your spinal cord. Again, orange color. Is it visible? I'll repeat it, don't worry. In this figure also I have shown you. This is the green color. This is the wind energy, because this is the yin side. Male side is yang and palm side is yin. See. Can you see it? Which side is it more clear to you? Not very clear, I think so. See, is it more clear from the paper, or should I show it on my hand only? I think this is more clear.
Hand is better, madam. Hand is better.
Hand is clear, I know. Okay, so I'm starting it again. First is the wind energy. Wind energy has two organs, liver and gallbladder. Liver is the yin organ and gallbladder is the yang organ. So, and the color, wind energy color is green. So this is the liver meridian, and its yang is gallbladder. This is the gallbladder. Both have wind energy. They are couple partners. Okay. Now coming to heat. Heat has two organs, heart and small intestine, and their color is red. This is our heat meridian or heart meridian. Okay. And this is our small intestine meridian, the couple partner. Okay. Third we are doing is hotness energy. Hotness energy, orange in color, and the organs related to it are brain and spinal cord. So this is your yin organ, brain organ. This is brain meridian, and its couple partner is spinal cord, yang meridian. It's husband, spinal meridian, hotness meridian or the spinal cord. So these three we are doing today. We'll discuss them. Now, is this location clear? The color clear to all? Hello, let me know. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Now, so we'll discuss this first, these three energies. So I told you wind energy is the beginning of any process. Any process beginning is wind. Any disease beginning is again wind. Huh? So like if you say, and when you, if there is any disease, normally in the wind condition, there are no symptoms. We do not come to know of the disease in wind energy. We do not come to know that the disease is there in wind energy. It is just not possible. And if we come to know, then it becomes very easy to treat it. But we do not come to know of it. Just hold on. Like if there is any infection also. But now when the infection has just started, it is in the incubation period. And that period we do not come to know easily. It is not felt only, we will not come to know. So wind is that stage of any disease when you do not come to feel it or you do not have any symptoms about it. That is the wind energy. Then what happens? Heat energy. And heat energy is when suppose infection is there, as I'm telling you, that incubation period is the wind energy. And when infection is there, then the person will start developing fever, slight fever. Now, irrespective of any infection, he'll start having fever. So this is the heat energy. Now the heat energy has taken over the wind energy. The next stage has come. First wind comes in any process, then heat energy takes over. So now the fever has developed, heat energy has started coming up in the body. Now what happens? Next is the hotness energy. Hotness energy is very concrete. It manifests in proper symptoms. Its manifestation is very clear. Like in wind, I told you, you do not come to know. Wind is the starting. Then in our body also, when the growth also, and from a child also, in our life cycle also, wind energy is the starting. The children, they are in wind energy. Moving. These all are symptoms. Wind moving everywhere, all around they are moving. Age of wind energy is 0 to 12 years. Till 12 years, every energy will have 12 years divided into it. So wind energy has got 12 years. So first 6 years, 0 to 6, we'll put in the yang. Yang is the gallbladder. I told you yang is the gallbladder. So first 6 years is the yang energy age. And 7 to 12 years is the yin energy age. So 12 years, till 12 years in our life cycle also, we have wind energy. After that, we step into when we start developing heat in our body. Heat in our body means that growth has started, development has started taking place. Puberty comes and organs start developing, sexual organs start developing. So heat energy is there in the body. Then comes the hotness. Hotness means full maturity, or when the flower has in the life cycle of a flower also. First there is wind in it, and then heat, it started to open up. Not when it is fully bloomed, that is hotness stage. Maturity, fully developed. So hotness is fully developed. After hotness, there is decline in the life cycle. In our life cycle also, till hotness, we are ascending on the ascending pathway. After hotness, decline comes in our life cycle. So we start having humidity, dryness, coldness, diseases, all those things. Till hotness, we are growing up, we are setting up our we are studying, pursuing our profession, business, and earning and setting up our house and everything. All those years pass until hotness. After that, maturity and wisdom and decline, all that starts coming. But all energies are important and all are required. Okay. So now, first thing we were discussing that wind energy has liver and gallbladder organ related to it. February, March, or spring season, they are related to wind energy. If somebody says every year in February, March, I develop this problem, whatever problem, but always I have in February, March, or always I have in spring season, then what is the energy of that season or